Hey everyone, in this tutorial video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the SellerChamp's API. I'll talk about how our API is designed, what resources are available to update, create, and delete, where the documentation is located, and what to do if you're having troubles using the API. Okay, so to start using SellerChamp's API, you need an API key. The way you get an API key is to click on the user icon on the top right, go into Settings, click on API Settings, and here you'll see a button that says Generate API Key. Click it and you'll get your API key. You can always reset the API key by clicking Regenerate API Keys. Okay, so now that you have an API key, head over to apidocs.sellerchamp.com. That's where the API documentation is located. It's pretty detailed, and our API is a REST-based API. So on the left, you've got your resources. If you click on a resource, it will tell you what methods are actually allowed on that resource. So for Marketplace, for example, it's get. If you go into Manifest, it's create and get. For products, you'll see get, update, delete. So these are all the operations that are allowed. You can click on a specific operation, and then it will have details along with some code on how to make that API call. So if I go into Manifest and click on create, you can see that it has a general description of that specific operation, along with the parameters that can be sent, along with some code for what that looks like if you were to make a curl request. Okay. If you run into any issues with the API, don't hesitate to contact us. Use Postman, please, to send us the request that you're making and the response that you're getting. Postman is a free API tool. You can Google it up and download it for free. Allows you to easily make API calls and then save that as a collection and send it over to us. In addition to APIs, we also support webhooks. There is an implementation fee for webhooks, but you can, if you need, we can enable webhooks for you so that you can start receiving order notifications via webhooks. Well, I hope that video was helpful, and now you know how you can make API calls using SellerChamp's API to sort of automate your processes and start getting SellerChamp to talk to the other systems in your business. Once again, if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us, send us a message, or schedule a help session. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more content. Thanks, and have an amazing day.